Did you know we also work on motorhomes here at John Kleis? If you didn't, then this is the video for you. Now, I'm sat in a Benimar motorhome, which uses the Fiat Ducato platform, same as the Peugeot Boxer. Very popular motorhome platform to start on with. Now, this wanted, our client wanted, I should say, built-in navigation source unit. So we've changed the stereo in the front for a built-in nav. Now, this is a motorhome, so what the customer didn't want to do is be taken down roads that the motorhome's not suitable for. So we fitted a system that allows you to input the weight, the height, the length, and the width of the actual motorhome, and stops the vehicle from being taken down routes that's not suitable. It also means the navigation has got all the motorhome POIs in, airs in France, you know, all the campsites, etc. built into the system, so it's not relying on your phone. Now I'll get right to it and show you what we fitted. Now this is the, I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on again because I want you to see the nice startup screen we put in for the customer, because as this is a Benimar motorhome, I obviously wanted the Benimar logo on, which is a nice little touch. Now this is the DNR KENWOOD 992, the exact model. This is the one with all navigation built in, so not relying on just your phone. So you get to use full Garmin navigation with all the points of interest for camper specifics on. Now wait for this to boot up. We have built-in Apple, we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This is wireless connectivity as well, so you don't have to plug your phone in, but there is USBs if you want to charge your phone. We have DAB. Now this had a factory DAB aerial fitted as standard, so we've utilised the original aerial. Okay, now I'll show you how simple it is this model to connect your phone to, because this is a great model for phone connectivity. So if we just push the phone button here, it becomes visible, and all I do is I go to my phone, go to Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi corner, Bluetooth, finds the model which is there, I select it, I literally hit yes, I want to connect, pair on the phone, allow, and then it will come up with here, do you want to enable Apple CarPlay? You just hit yes, your phone says do you want to enable CarPlay, you hit yes, put your phone down, put it in a safe place where you're not going to be tempted to use it whilst driving, and then now it's doing a handshake, and there we have it. I have full Apple CarPlay on the screen wirelessly. Real nice. Big screen, really easy to see because it's a 10.2 inch HD screen. Got a rotary dial for the volume, which is super convenient when you're driving. And then what we also have is all these steering wheel controls from factory now work. So literally we can keep that as standard. This car actually came in with an aftermarket stereo already fitted, which was causing the mileometer to flash. No longer flashes now, so we've fixed that as well, which is a nice little addition for the customer. But yeah, real simple to use unit. HD screen, capacitive, so super quick, super responsive. You know, we love this screen. They also do one with no Navi, which you've probably seen on our channel. So this is the DNR992. The non-Navi version, if you don't need navigation built and you're happy to rely on Google Maps, is the DMX9720 XDS. So worth a look, great unit. But yeah, that's about it for a quick walkthrough on this unit in this Benimar motorhome. But for now, it's Connor from John Kleis signing off. See you later.